Huawei is quietly preparing a new smartphone that could stand out in a big way, and that phone is the Huawei Mate 80 GTS. While Huawei has not officially confirmed anything yet, leaks suggest that this device may bring a major cooling upgrade compared to the standard Mate 80 models. Right now, the Mate 80 GTS is one of the most mysterious phones in Huawei's upcoming lineup, but the information we do have points towards some interesting changes. The Mate 80 GTS has been showing up in leaks for a while, but most of the attention has recently shifted to its cooling technology. According to tipster Fixifocus, Huawei is working on a heat dissipation system for the Mate 80 GTS that is significantly different from what we may see on the regular Mate 80. This suggests that Huawei is not treating the GTS as just another minor variant, but as a phone with a very specific purpose. So far, there is still very little concrete information about the Mate 80 GTS, which adds to the mystery. However, the cooling design is said to be a key highlight. Huawei may be testing a new and bold internal layout to improve how heat is managed inside the device. This could include more advanced heat dissipation materials, redesigned internal structures, or even new cooling components that have not been used in Huawei phones before. The full details of this cooling solution are expected to become clear in the first half of 2026. One of the most interesting reactions to this leak comes from netizens who believe that the Mate 80 GTS could be positioned as a gaming-focused smartphone. If this turns out to be true, the strong focus on cooling would make a lot of sense. Gaming phones usually prioritize sustained performance, temperature control, battery life, and powerful chipsets over top-tier camera hardware. If Huawei is indeed targeting gamers with the Mate 80 GTS, it may shift its priorities compared to the standard Mate series. This could mean that the phone does not feature Huawei's very best camera setup. Instead, the company might choose a more balanced or slightly reduced imaging system to make room for better cooling, a larger battery, and higher performance stability. This approach would be similar to what we have seen with the Honor YN series, which focuses more on performance and gaming features than photography. Leaks also suggest that the Mate 80 GTS could be powered by the Kirin 930 Pro chipset. While details about this chip are still unclear, it is expected to offer strong performance, especially if paired with improved cooling. Better heat management would allow the chipset to run at higher speeds for longer periods without throttling, which is crucial for gaming and other demanding tasks. In addition to the chipset, the Mate 80 GTS is rumored to feature a larger battery and a bigger display. A larger screen would enhance gaming and media consumption, while a bigger battery would help support longer gaming sessions and heavy daily use. Combined with an advanced cooling system, these features could make the Mate 80 GTS a very capable performance-focused device. Despite all these rumors, Huawei has not officially mentioned the Mate 80 GTS yet. This silence suggests that the phone is still in development, and that the company may be refining its features before making any announcements. As we get closer to 2026, more leaks are likely to surface, giving us a clearer picture of what the Mate 80 GTS will offer. It is also worth noting that Huawei is not only working on the Mate 80 GTS. The company is reportedly developing new foldable phones as well, including the Pure X2, and a premium edition foldable based on a previous generation. These foldable devices are expected to launch in the first quarter of 2026, which means Huawei has a busy roadmap ahead. In summary, the Huawei Mate 80 GTS is shaping up to be an exciting and unusual addition to the Mate lineup. With a major cooling upgrade, possible gaming, focused design, a powerful chipset, and a larger battery, this phone could appeal to users who care more about performance and endurance than camera specs. While many details are still unknown, the Mate 80 GTS is definitely a device worth keeping an eye on as more information emerges in the coming months.